Everyone, this is Dr. Naveen, the founder of Medallions Private Limited, an healthcare startup company who is looking forward to solve the problem of laziness-related diseases, so-called lifestyle diseases, fashionably. So, Indian healthcare market would be reaching an whopping amount of $133.4 billion, that is equal to 8.6 trillion rupees when converted into Indian currency, by 2022. So, hereby we are looking at to join with the right kind of investors to reach the mission by joining hands with us to reap the benefits in the future. So, I being a professional in diagnostic radiology since almost 10 years, so with my co-founder being Dr. Suresh, who is an entrepreneur as well as an author and a specialist in dentistry, we would like to add on more to our credibility, and we know where we stand today. And yes, like tomorrow, we would like to have a big dream with all of us together in a healthy real world, and we would like to show the jalak of the future of the healthcare sector. So before starting, I would like to quote a quotation from Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, saying that individual health is more important than any pieces of gold or silver. And Winston Churchill says that healthy citizens are a great asset for the nation. So it indicates that nation prosperity and individual health as linked together. So at this point, I would like to tell that lifestyle diseases are causing so much of social and psychological impact. And as I see the daily basis patients, today you cannot imagine people come at 50 to 60 years and 70 years for the first time for the health checkup, and suddenly they get to know that they have got some complication or a cancer. Either they cannot get rid of it or they have to live with it for the future. But that could have been avoided if they would have got some health checkups done at 20 or 30 or 40 years before. So yes, and it's an alarming. So example, I would like to tell, recently I saw a patient who was like just around 28 to 29 years. She just came for back pain. She thought it was a renal stone. And then finally there was a mass between the liver and the kidney. And that was like adrenal gland mass. It was not that easy for me to convey the message to her. Yet it I had to. And then she got the investigation done further. And then it was already metastatized. At this age, at this alarming rise in the number of cancers, we cannot neglect the lifestyle diseases because it almost secondarily relates to the cancer as well. So at this point, I would like to tell that 30% of tests done are unnecessary, 30% of treatments done are unnecessary, and not only causes the financial burden, it also causes the psychological impact. So because the government is spending whooping almost 80 to 90% of the thing in to the 20% of the sick people, rather I would like to say that let them spend more on preventive health care on near to 80%, and then the rest to the sick people, so that more people remain healthy. And this is what I am expecting as a paradigm shift of thinking process and create a new world order for health. So hereby I would like to present a subscription model for the problem solution what is existing, rupees 499 model, wherein we provide an non-invasive testings with certain history and a free consultation, and the primary market would be in IT sector. So consider 1.5 million people, IT people in Bangalore. So I would like to concentrate even just 1% if they join our package, subscription package, it will be equal to 499 into 15,000. That's whooping amount of 75 lakh rupees. And yes, the next pit stop before we reach the billions is the crores. That is the obvious guaranteed version. So when we hereby look at the stats, the data, we look at like every year nearly around 3 billion blood sugar tests, almost 2 billion blood pressure tests, and 2 billion urine routine tests, and 5 to 6 billion syringes are being used, and countless number of kidney dialysis is getting done, and many other tests that it is going on actually. So and it is almost equal to amount of total of like nearly around 2 lakh crore, that is 0.8% of the total GDP. That means the total healthcare sector that we spend is around 2% of the total GDP. So half of the things are being burdened into this. So you can imagine the burden that is being falling on because of the lifestyle diseases. So at this point I would like to say that in the IT sector market, why I preferred IT sector market, because it's not that difficult for us to find an engineer in Bangalore city, because once there is a dialogue like, if you throw a stone in Bangalore, either it would eat an engineer or a dog. That's what was well known, and even today it exists actually. So it's better to hold their hands and reach along with us, and let us partner with them, and along with the help of further technologies we would reach great heights as well. We will avoid the lifestyle diseases that is alarmingly rising in this present scenario. So we would like to push in around 10% shares for around 15 crore in our company, wherein I would like to say that we would procure the instruments, right kind of equipment, and application development, and digital marketing, and employees for the further process, as well as to integrate certain things. And we would like to reach the people. Without reach we will not be able to just, so we are already doing, and statistical data shows that it is quite a successful model, and we would like to present it the same way, and the same will be accepted by the team, I hopefully, I guess. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak in this thing. Thank you.